I'm Doug Melton, a program director with the Kern Family Foundation, and I want to welcome you to this impactful workshop. I've seen them transform institutions, their cultures, careers, and certainly students. You know, a faculty development workshop had a profound impact on my teaching and the way I even viewed education. So I'm glad you're here to join other participants, and together we can make a bigger difference than separately. This short video is useful for sharing the origin and purpose and the funders that have partnered with your interest and commitment to make these workshops a reality. Before the workshop is in full swing, it's helpful to understand how there are 5 strategic vehicles that work together. The first is KEEN, the network of more than 60 partner institutions that have committed to integrating elements of entrepreneurial mindset within their engineering programs. The second is that digital platform, Engineering Unleashed, and it's a hub for many of the activities, including faculty development. The third is the entire collection of faculty development and the Engineering Unleashed Fellowship. The fourth are crescendo events, which are campus visits designed to engage and inspire, and the fifth are signature events like the annual KEEN National Conference. Now, these are all available to you, so you'll want to talk to your workshop team about any of these 5 and how they work and how you can engage. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the Kern Family Foundation. If you're like me, you appreciate knowing the origins of this work. The Kern Family Foundation was established by Bob and Pat Kern, founders of the Generac Corporation. They nurtured a company resourcefully and creatively into a thriving business. They recognized and rewarded and relied upon entrepreneurially minded individuals who understood how to create and deliver value. After the sale of the company, they created the foundation with a mission to contribute to the flourishing of the next generation of Americans. It is a worthy endeavor. The foundation could have chosen many ideas to work on, but it focuses on 4 critical animating ideas: great character, quality education, meaning and purpose of work, and, of course, entrepreneurial mindset. Now, these ideas are woven into different programs like threads or colors, forming initiatives like the Entrepreneurial Engineering Program that I'm involved in, which emphasizes the entrepreneurial mindset. Let's take a moment to discuss the entrepreneurial mindset. Hopefully you've seen some of the preparatory videos and other content leading up to this point. There's something you may not have seen, which is helpful to focus on, what we call the entrepreneurial continuum. On the right-hand side of this scale, you'll see the risk-taking and venturing, whether it's with investment or career or reputation. On the left-hand side, which was largely unaddressed in education, lies the mindset piece. The Kern Family Foundation identified this as a critical area in education that needed attention. The left-hand side includes ideation elements essential to seeding the work before it turns into investments. Now, one key takeaway your facilitators will emphasize is that an entrepreneurial mindset can be applied in any context within industry, government, startups, education, as faculty, and as students. Another key takeaway is that developing a mindset should not and need not be at the expense of skill set. In fact, we've often found it motivates the development of necessary skills. So many educators have committed to integrating entrepreneurial mindset in their work, whether in their teaching and instruction, their research endeavors, their service to the institution, discipline, or profession. And working with this community for over a decade has revealed a variety of reasons why people make this commitment. Here's an image of 6 reasons that I had an opportunity to share at a KEEN National Conference. In fact, we asked conference goers to vote on their favorite 2 reasons. I'll show you the results in a moment. The first reason was a belief that EM prepares students and graduates for lifelong success. The opportunity, recognition, resilience, and tenacity developed through entrepreneurial mindset prepares individuals to adapt to our rapidly changing world, ever ready to focus on creating value with whatever new tools are available. Now, some folks voted for the second reason. Why EM? Because the societal good that comes collectively from curious, ethical, and character-driven shared value creation. Others recognize the importance of putting an entrepreneurial mindset to work in industry. Still others said that research and progress is fueled by productive curiosity, and that was their why for entrepreneurial mindset. The final two reasons included an appreciation for the action orientation associated with experiential learning and projects that matter to stakeholders, and the ability to predict impacts because an understanding of systems thinking is part of an entrepreneurial mindset. If you're just curious, here's the voting results that came from that particular conference. Pretty evenly distributed. But more importantly, what are your reasons and how will they be explored in this workshop? I'm excited for you and the impact you'll have through the learnings of this workshop. And within the partner handbook, find that. Your team may have one for you. You'll find the framework, and I encourage you to read through it. You'll find familiar elements, especially in the center column that talks about design and the suggestion to add a focus on two words, opportunity and impact. The banner item on the Keen framework includes the entrepreneurial mindset and the 3 C's. You are in great hands with this workshop. I hope to meet you, discuss how it's going or how it went, and I certainly look forward to the results. Thank you for being here.